Malapit na matapos ang 2025. So if you have a business, especially if you're a small or medium enterprise, then watch this video hanggang sa huli as I'll be sharing 3 practical tips to grow your business in 2026. Number 1, finalize your 2025 financials. Kahit hindi pa tapos ang 2025, dapat may running numbers ka na year to date. Kamusta ba ang balance sheet, income statement, at cash flow mo? Negative or positive? I-compare mo din ito sa financial status mo nung nakaraang taon. Ito kasi yung basihan kung maganda ba ang kalagayan ng negosyo mo. It's based on facts, not feelings. Number 2, plan your 2026 financials. A lot of small to medium enterprise don't even have a cash flow forecast. Magkano ba ang forecasted income at expenses mo? Na-budget mo na rin ba ang taxes at business renewal expenses? And how about the cost of business expansion? I understand na hindi naman 100% accurate ang financial forecast. Meron talaga mga unexpected expenses or income opportunities na darating. But it's still better to be prepared para alam mo ang financial capacity ng negosyo mo. Hindi naman kailangan complicated yung financial forecast natin. Pwedeng simpleng spreadsheet lang. Lagay mo lang ang months, income, at expenses. Parang ganito. Number 3, expand your business through loans. If may nakita kang opportunity sa business mo pero hindi kaya ng cash flow mo or ayaw mo galawin ang savings mo, then you may consider getting a business loan. Hindi naman masama ang utang pag marunong kang gumamit nito. In fact, most entrepreneurs have loans para mapabilis ang business expansion. Yes, you'll be paying interest, but if your profit can cover it, then might as well grab the opportunity so that you can scale your business faster. One option that you can consider is BPI's Kanegosyo Loans. This is designed to help SMEs who are looking to expand their business. You can get approved amounting to 300,000 pesos to 30 million pesos, depending on your business needs and financial capacity. Competitive ang rates at manageable ang terms. Mabilis lang rin ang approval at minimal documentation required for qualified SMEs. BPI Business Banking is a trusted growth partner for SMEs. Kahit anong stage ng negosyo mo, whether improving your operations or growth, pwedeng mag-apply ng business loan. So if you're interested, you can apply and check the details through the link in the comments or bio.